so we are here in Montreal and we've got some Kinder surprises that we've picked up, and we're going to have these for the first time, except for you. You've had them before?
Yes.
No.
I don't
Like
remember
the smaller
them,
one.
but I don't remember.
Okay, so we're gonna try these. So let's go ahead and get these open. I guess they're chocolate with a surprise.
Well,
Happy Thanksgiving
Wait. Happy Thanksgiving.
with a pecan pie.
Okay, and then, oh, that's it, huh?
Oh, you have to eat the chocolate
Oh, wait.
because that's an edible chocolate.
I'll try the chocolate.
You want all you want is toy?
Yes.
It's a Kinder surprise for a reason. Why
Why
is
don't you open
These
it?
are some good sized eggs. Just push it, just like into it. See, there you go.
Yeah, I didn't break my chocolate.
These are like Easter eggs but tougher.
yeah?
I like it.
And I've got, looks like a butt or something. What did I get here? An anime character?
Don't waste your chocolate. You need to eat your chocolate.
Okay, try
Mine
the
didn't
chocolate.
break. I want to open the toy first. Oh, we got a penguin.
Too sweet for me.
Cool.
It's a milk chocolate, but kind of sweet, huh?
Okay. Let me try the
Oh,
chocolate.
and you got a penguin too?
Yeah.
Did you both get the same penguin?
No. Oh, she got a
happy one. That one looks like she's begging for something.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna try this. I don't want to break it. I
Put in your
it
penguin.
perfectly.
I'm trying to figure out how to put it in.
What you got, Dad?
I don't know, some sort of
Look at
cartoon
your-
anime character.
Look at your instruction pocket or something.
Well, yeah, I just kind of put it together without reading.
No, but it should say something.
It says
In the front.
Mine's a surfer.
Mine's a fisher.
Oh, no, not scan. Okay, it's telling me to scan. I don't know what this thing is. It's some sort of character, and I don't know. I don't know what these are.
Check
Okay,
the...
show your character. You're zoomed in. With a head. With a head.
With the head.
You mean with the, I guess the helmet.
Yeah, so if you guys know what this is, let us know. Put it in the chat, in the comment section.
Let me see.
It doesn't say on here.
How
what
about
it
you,
is.
Alexis? Show yours.
A penguin.
I don't even know how to put this
Surfing.
together.
Surfing penguin.
Yeah.
I don't even think this is possible to put together. Hold on.
Is it difficult to put together?
I don't know. Is it?
Put that.
It doesn't even fit. I don't know. It's supposed to go like this. So like...
Okay, so
So,
that's a Kinder surprise.
okay, did you try the chocolate yet?
Yes.
Okay, so 1 out of 10, how would you rate the chocolate?
It's good. I like it.
8.
8?
It's too sweet for me though.
Oh, I was gonna say maybe 6.5 to 7.
Why do you always rate things so low?
I guess because I'm mean.
Because he's stubborn.
Well, what would you rate? You just say it was good.
8.
8? Okay, and how would you rate the surprise?
I don't like these stuff.
I mean, we're not 6-year-olds.
How would you rate the surprise? 1 out of 10.
Oh, it's still something for your room.
I know.
No, I hate this type of stuff because I always lose them.
Well, I'm gonna rate my surprise at an 8.5.
I'd say
Yeah, it's cool.
Mine's a 4.5.
I'd say a 7 because it's on a surfboard and it's on a wave and it goes.
I don't
Yeah.
like mine because it doesn't even fit.
You probably
not
didn't.
working how
You
it's
probably
supposed
did it wrong.
I swear I'm following the instructions.
Mine's cool.
So that's our Kinder surprises.
Hi guys.
Subscribe. Talk to you later. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.